welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a huge spring reset. Today we are going to be cleaning the apartment and just getting things back in order. It is Sunday today, and by Sunday, since we work on the weekends, my house looks like a freaking frat house. So it is time to tidy up, get things in order, plan for the week, and just completely like reset our mind and our space. So if you guys are new here, hi, my name's Selah. I am a Michigan-based blogger and YouTuber. I do different types of vlogs and lifestyle and travel videos, and I post every single Tuesday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you guys would like to join the family, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you never miss a notification. And let's get our space in order and do a complete reset. Spring is definitely here. The sunshine is out. It's a beautiful day for some cleaning. I have all the windows open. Perfect day to clean. So first and foremost, this is the current situation of my office. So this definitely needs to be cleaned up. This is my vanity. So let's start here. I'm just gonna go through my planner and kind of write out what I have to do for the rest of the day and knock off any things that I have to do for next week, like write those down and stuff. So I keep everything organized in a planner. If I didn't have a planner, I literally don't know what I would do. So this is the first thing that I do every single morning.
To the moon, I've been finding truth in the way that you go, baby, go, grow, baby, grow. Don't leave it all for the other side, and just go, baby, love. Don't you let go, hanging on for another life. So let go, baby, go, grow, baby, grow.
This is my favorite stuff to refresh your mattress and sheets.
Cry at all, but why is it always close, ranging from a movie scene to made up people in my dreams? The last time, if I recall,
kitchen.
I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view. And I pray that it won't be over soon. Oh my, I miss the sun. Just wait, it won't be too long till we arrive the coming day. Please ignore my restless face, 'cause it's so hard to keep it all together ever since we left. I guess it just makes sense to what the reasoning was when I said, in case I go, no need to be stressed, gotta take it home, it's there. I really miss the shade of blue. Ooh, just take it slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view. And I pray that it won't be over soon. In case I go, no need to be stressed, gotta take it home, it's there. I really miss the shade of blue. Ooh, just take it slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view. And I pray.
Okay guys, so Ryan just got back with some groceries from Nino's Market. So I'm gonna do a little grocery haul and show you guys some of the stuff that we've been eating and what we got. If you guys haven't seen one of my recent videos of what I eat in a day to lose weight, kind of the diet that we've been on and stuff, I think this would be good. You guys can see like some of the stuff that we purchased from the grocery store in order to obtain that diet. So let me show you. So first we got some whole wheat bread. The only kind of carbs that we can eat right now is anything like whole grain or wheat. So we got some bread, some bananas. We've been making tons of smoothies lately, and then I'm also going to be making banana bread this week. Next, we've got some radishes for salads. Radishes are super beneficial to certain things in your body, so my mom was actually the one that was like, you should start incorporating radishes into your salads. So we got some radishes. Ryan is absolutely obsessed with apples and like protein bars for his lunch, so he got a bunch of apples for himself. I'm not a huge fruit person, I'm trying to be, but if I put it in a smoothie, it's good for me to be able to incorporate fruit. We got a red onion because I love making like village salads. We got some Brussels sprouts. Also, you guys, after getting our, sorry if you can hear like the laundry in the background too, and the windows are open so you can hear like sirens. I'm on like, backed up to woods, and behind that is like a main highway, so you might be able to hear that, so I'm sorry. But anyways, like I was saying, since we got our vegetables and fruit from Nino's or Randazzo's Market, if you're in the Midwest, or Michigan, I don't know if you guys would have one around you, but I hate regular grocery stores for fruits and vegetables. It's so not as fresh. So on that note, we got some fresh Parmesan. This is an Italian market, so I know that shit's good. Oh my gosh. Okay, so he found me my coffee syrup. We haven't been able to find this in a while. I was about to order it off Amazon. This is not healthy for you guys, so, but I like, my coffee is special to me, so, we got some avocados. He got himself some cilantro. He likes to make like some like fish sauce and cilantro dip. Some real Greek feta. What is this? A salmon fillet. We love having salmon for dinner and on salads. He also got some smoked salmon. This is really good for our specific diet that we're on with like eggs for breakfast. What is this? He got a lasagna. I don't know, you guys. Sometimes when I send him grocery shopping, I'm just like, it's a surprise when I go through it too. Blue cheese because I want to make like buffalo chicken wraps. Some lettuce, chili peppers, carrots, some blueberries, limes, lemons, and sweet potatoes. Got some real turkey breast, so we can't have anything processed, so made sure we got some real turkey breast. Some fat-free milk for our smoothies. Swiss cheese. The only cheeses that we can actually have are like real Swiss. We can have blue cheese, feta cheese, Parmesan, and goat cheese. That's like pretty much it. And in the last bag, we got a bag of spinach also for smoothies. Some broccoli. Some more broccoli. Green beans. Cucumbers. I actually want to make like a cucumber brown rice shrimp bowl, I guess. Boat. And some grapes. And that's it for the haul. Alright guys, that's it for today's cleaning and reset video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. I hope this gave you some inspiration and some motivation for spring cleaning or tidying up or whatever it means for you to get your mind clear and have a clean space. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon.